Hi there. For this video, we are tasked to find this expression in terms of fraction. So basically, we'll be simplifying this expression. And to do that, first, observe that if we take this one, observe that its outcome when simplified is 1 over 1 times 2 is equal to 1/2. Now this time, let's try to observe this 2. Then we will have 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3. Simplify this one, we will have 1/2 plus 1 over 6. Then we can multiply 3 over 3 out here. So we will have 3 over 6 plus 1 over 6. And this simplifies into 4 over 6. Or in simplest terms, or lowest terms, this simplifies into 2 over 3. So let's remove this one. And so we now know that 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 is 2 over 3. And by this time, you might observe a pattern out here. Since this one out here is 1/2, this one out here is 2/3. But to further solidify our idea, let's try checking or observing the terms 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over the next one is 3 times 4. And note that this one out here is simply 2 over 3, since we have already calculated that one above. So we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 is 12. We can multiply 4 over 4 out here. So we will obtain 8 over 12 plus 1 over 12. Adding this 2, we'll have 9 over 12. Simplifying, this one is simply 3 over 4. So let's remove this one. Move this one to the left. And so we know that 1 over 1 times 2 plus 1 over 2 times 3 plus 1 over 3 times 4 is equal to 3 over 4. And so what can you observe out here? Observe that in fractions, this first number out here represents the numerator out here. This number out here represents the denominator out here. And same applies for the following observations. Observe that this 2 here is the numerator here. This 3 here is the denominator here rather. And so in this one. Feel free to verify in the further terms in this summation, and you will see that the same pattern arises. And so we know that when we add all of this until 1 over 99 times 100 with the same pattern, this one is simply equal to, this one will be the numerator, so 99 over, this one will represent the denominator, which is 100. And so the outcome of this expression is simply 99 over 100. And note that this one is already in lowest terms since 99 and 100 doesn't have any common factors. So that is the answer for this problem. The key is to observe the effect of the following summation from only the first term, then with 2 terms, with 3 terms, and so on, until you observe a certain pattern. And so that's it. And feel free to comment down below any comments, suggestions, recommendations. And yeah, it's been a while since I had posted due to a lot of workload to do. So yeah, that's it, and that is all for this video.